Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to actually find your spawning point or your base in Fortnite LEGO. Now let's say you've been running around for a while in the map and you can't seem to locate your base. Now what you do is simply press the letter M on your keyboard, and from here, or what it is on your PS4 or any gaming device, and here you see your bed right here. Now from there you can simply figure out where you need to go by looking, and the arrow will indicate where you need to go. So here I can simply run straight forward, and my base should be behind this hill as the map quotes. And as you can see, my base is right around there, and that's it. Now, if you still get any questions regarding my tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.